What if you had animal powers? Eagle eyes, shark senses, spider strength. Let's build the ultimate animal-powered you. Imagine having the vision of an eagle. You'd be able to spot the tiniest details from incredible distances. Picture yourself standing atop a skyscraper, gazing down at the bustling city below. With eagle vision, you could easily spot a small ant crawling along the sidewalk, waving its tiny antennae. Your eyesight would be 8 times better than that of an average human. No more squinting to read distant signs or struggling to find your lost keys. With eagle eyes, the world would become crystal clear, revealing secrets hidden from ordinary sight. Now, let's add the remarkable senses of a shark to your growing list of superpowers. Sharks possess an extraordinary ability to detect minute electrical impulses in the water, including the faint signals produced by a beating heart. Imagine yourself swimming in the vast ocean, surrounded by the gentle lapping of waves. Suddenly, you sense a subtle change in the water. Your shark senses tingle, alerting you to the presence of a fish hiding behind a colorful coral reef. You can practically feel its heartbeat pulsing through the water. It's as if you've become a living, breathing underwater lie detector, able to sense the presence of life all around you. But why stop there? Let's give you the incredible strength of a spider. Spiders are renowned for their ability to lift many times their own body weight. If you could harness this power and scale it up to human size, you'd be able to lift objects that would normally require heavy machinery. Picture yourself casually strolling up to a parked car, placing your hands underneath it, and effortlessly lifting it off the ground. Passersby would stare in amazement, jaws dropping at the sight of your superhuman strength. And that's not all. With spider-like abilities, you could also scale walls and ceilings with ease, defying gravity as you explore the world from entirely new perspectives. Now, let's add one more fascinating animal ability to your repertoire. The chameleon's remarkable camouflage. Chameleons have the extraordinary ability to change their skin color and pattern to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. Imagine possessing this power yourself. You could stand in front of any background and slowly fade from view as your skin adapts to match your surroundings perfectly. This ability would make you the ultimate master of hide and seek, able to disappear at will. Picture yourself in a classroom, blending into the wall so completely that your teacher calls out, puzzled, "Where is Tim?" while you silently giggle, hidden in plain sight. When we combine all these incredible animal powers, you truly become a real-life superhero. Nature has spent millions of years perfecting these abilities in various creatures, each adapted to its unique environment and survival needs. Now, imagine if humans could harness even a fraction of these remarkable powers. The possibilities are mind-boggling. With eagle vision, you could spot potential dangers from afar, perhaps even aiding in search and rescue operations. Your ability to see the tiniest details could revolutionize fields like medicine, allowing for early detection of diseases or abnormalities invisible to the naked eye. Your shark-like senses would make you an invaluable asset in underwater exploration and marine biology. You could detect the presence of marine life in ways current technology cannot, potentially discovering new species or tracking the movements of endangered animals with unprecedented accuracy. The spider-like strength would allow you to perform feats of heroism, lifting heavy debris to rescue trapped individuals or scaling buildings to save those in danger. Your wall-climbing abilities could revolutionize construction and maintenance work, allowing easy access to hard tourage areas without the need for complex equipment. And with chameleon-like camouflage, you could become the ultimate stealth operative, able to blend into any environment for surveillance or protection purposes. This ability could also have fascinating applications in the world of art and design, inspiring new forms of interactive, living art installations. When we look at the animal kingdom, we see a vast array of incredible adaptations and abilities that have evolved over millions of years. Each of these powers serves a specific purpose, helping creatures survive and thrive in their respective environments. By imagining ourselves with these abilities, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and wonder of the natural world. It's important to remember that while we may not possess these exact superpowers, humans have our own unique set of abilities that set us apart in the animal kingdom. Our capacity for complex thought and creativity has allowed us to achieve remarkable feats, from building towering skyscrapers to exploring the depths of space. In many ways, we've used our intelligence and ingenuity to mimic some of these animal superpowers. We've created telescopes and microscopes to enhance our vision, developed sonar technology inspired by bats and dolphins, and engineered machines capable of lifting enormous weights. Our pursuit of knowledge and understanding of the natural world continues to drive innovation and technological advancement. As we conclude our journey through this imaginary world of animal superpowers, it's worth taking a moment to reflect on the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Each creature, from the tiniest insect to the largest mammal, possesses its own set of unique adaptations and abilities. By studying and understanding these remarkable features, we not only satisfy our curiosity, but also gain insights that can lead to new discoveries and innovations. So, while we may not be able to literally possess eagle eyes, shark senses, spider strengths, or chameleon camouflage, we can certainly draw inspiration from these amazing animals. we can strive to be more observant like the eagle, more in tune with our surroundings like the shark, stronger and more resilient like the spider, and adaptable like the chameleon. In the end, our greatest superpower as humans might just be our ability to learn from and be inspired by the world around us. We have the unique capacity to observe, understand, and apply the lessons nature teaches us. By doing so, we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, constantly evolving and adapting in our own uniquely human way. So, which animal power would you choose if you could? Would you soar high with eagle vision, sensing the world around you with shark-like precision? Or perhaps you'd prefer the strength of a spider, climbing walls with ease? Maybe the chameleon's camouflage appeals to your sense of mystery and adventure. Whatever your choice, it is clear that the animal kingdom holds a wealth of fascinating abilities that continue to captivate our imagination and inspire us to reach new heights. As we marvel at these incredible animal powers, let's also take a moment to appreciate the unique abilities we possess as humans. Our capacity for empathy, our ability to communicate complex ideas, and our drive to explore and understand the world around us are all superpowers in their own right. By combining our human ingenuity with the lessons we learn from nature, who knows what amazing feats we might accomplish in the future. So, the next time you observe an animal in its natural habitat, take a moment to consider the remarkable adaptations it possesses. You might just find yourself inspired to look at the world in a new way, appreciating the extraordinary in the ordinary, and discovering the superhero potential that exists within each of us.